Hello guys, in this video I will mention 4 top affiliate platforms you can sign up to generate a lot of money with your smartphone. If you have a smartphone and internet, I will show you 4 platforms you can use to start making money online in Nigeria even as a beginner. So make sure you watch the video to the end to get more details about these 4 platforms you can sign up to become an affiliate marketer and earn a lot of money. Before I go into the main topic of today, I'm going to explain what affiliate marketing is all about. For those that are just seeing my video for the first time and don't have the understanding of what affiliate marketing is all about, in this video I will explain in details what affiliate marketing is all about, and I will mention 4 top affiliate marketing platform you can sign up and earn a lot of money. And also I'll be talking about most of these platforms, the benefits, what you gain from this platform. I'm going to explain in details in this video. So first of all, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is simple promoting other people's products and earning a commission when someone buys through your unique affiliate link. For example, if you recommend a course and someone buys it through your link, you get paid without creating any product yourself. In affiliate marketing, when you choose a product and you talk about it to your audience, or if you recommend this product to your friend, family, or your audience, when this person buys this product through your unique affiliate link, you earn a commission. Example, maybe you will recommend graphic design course, video editing course, survey course, Facebook advertisement course, how to travel out. There's a lot of course you can promote to your audience, and when your audience get this course, you earn a lot of money. So benefit: no product creation, start with your phone, work from anywhere, unlimited income potential. In affiliate marketing, you can generate a lot of money. And in affiliate marketing business does not have age limit. Even though you are 14, 15, 16, 17, 18 upwards, you can start affiliate marketing business as far you have access to a smartphone, internet connection, and also you can read and write, and also you can learn and implement. You can start affiliate marketing business. 4 best affiliate platform. 1, GRODITAL. I've made use of 4 platforms, and I'm going to list the best affiliate platform I love. I'm going to start from the number one, from number 1 to 2, from number 2 to 3, from number 3 to 4. First, I'm going to talk about GRODITAL. GRODITAL is a Ghanaian affiliate platform where you can promote digital products like course and training. And GRODITAL pays in dollars, naira, CDs, KFC, um, different 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 types of payments. So GRODITAL is a Ghanaian affiliate platform where you can promote data products like courses and training. Key point: beginner friendly, easy registration, data product with good commission, training available. It is for? Perfect for beginners who want to start fast. So I'm going to explain in details the benefits of GRODITAL, why I choose GRODITAL as number one top affiliate marketing platform. On GRODITAL, as an affiliate marketer, you won't be scammed. Most times when you want to promote a course, you need to make use of inorganic traffic like creating a Facebook advertisement or TikTok advertisement, Google advertisement. Some affiliate marketer get scammed. So people will pretend that, okay, I know about Facebook advertisement, I know about Google advertisement, I know about YouTube advertisement. When you pay them money, you won't get the result. But on GRODITAL platform, you have access to a partnership service. A partnership service where you pay a token of months for someone that understand everything about social media advertisement. You pay a token and they will help you to create a Facebook advertisement that will generate a lot of leads to your WhatsApp or your Telegram, and then you generate a lot of sales. So that is why I love GRODITAL, because GRODITAL has the package. The training is very perfect. The partnership, I love everything about the partnership. The commission are very high. On GRODITAL, you have access to high paid commission. Do you understand? And on GRODITAL, you have access to high ticket products where you will receive a a high amount of commission. So my GRODITAL is my number one top affiliate marketing for now, because I've make use of it and I've also withdraw for it. And also I love that payment option. They have two payment option, manual and automatic. Example, when you want to use manual, you can decide to request for payment and they will pay in the evening. But if you want to automatic, maybe you want to receive the money instantly, you click on automatic and you receive your money instantly. So I love GRODITAL. Everything about GRODITAL is very bad. As a beginner, I will advise you to sign up to get access to GRODITAL. And also on GRODITAL you have access to a course called the New Oil Program course, and this course is full with a lot of package. So if you want to start as a beginner, I will advise you to start on GRODITAL, and you will not regret signing up on GRODITAL. If you are a Ghanaian or Nigeria, you can sign up on GRODITAL. So number two is VALPULSE. I love VALPULSE a lot. um VALPULSE has many ways you can earn money. VALPULSE is unique because it combines digital product and real estate opportunity. Keep on set cost, property, high commission potential, good for serious marketer. What is it for? If you want to promote high ticket products, this is for you. GRODITAL, what I love GRODITAL is that you can decide to promote any product. You can decide to promote data products, or you can decide to promote property. You can go into real estate or um VALPULSE, and you'll be able to earn a lot of money. And on VALPULSE they have different ways you can earn money. At least on VALPULSE we have 6 ways you can earn money. I'm going to mention it. One, direct commission. When you promote a course, you earn a commission. Two, when your downline get sales, you earn like 10% of commission. That is two. And the third one, when maybe you invite a vendor to create an account on the VALPULSE, and the person was able to upload this product, you earn commission. And the fourth one is maybe you invite an affiliate marketer, a top affiliate marketer, to join the platform to participate in the sales challenge, you earn a commission. And the sixth one, the sales challenge, you earn money from sales challenge. And the last one, they always give their affiliate marketer certificates. Maybe you reach a milestone from 100,000, 200, 500, 1 million, you receive an token, or a token apart from your normal commission. So on VALPULSE they have like 6 different ways you can earn money. I love it. And also I love the payment schedule. Like, before I forget, I did not talk about GRODITAL payment day. GRODITAL payment day is Saturday. If you request on if you, on Saturday, you have to request payment on Saturday and you receive it instantly. So for VALPULSE, the payment day is Friday. I'm doing this video Friday. The payment day is Friday, but on VALPULSE you need to request your payment on Thursday. If you know you need your commission, you need to request your payment on Thursday. So on Friday you are going to receive your commission directly to your local bank account. Do you understand? You receive the commission directly to your local bank account. So that's for VALPULSE. The third one, NSP. I love NSP. NSP is another platform where you can promote trendy data products, keep on variety of products, easy dashboard, beginner friendly, fast growing platform. Who is it for? Great if you want different products to promote. NSP, I love NSP because it has a lot of courses you can promote. It has high ticket courses you can promote. And what I love NSP is that you don't need to wait for certain day before you can withdraw your commission. On NSP you can withdraw anytime. Maybe you have a sales just now, you can withdraw your commission instantly to your local bank account. You don't have to wait for a certain day before you can earn any amount. So that is for that. And also when you reach a milestone and maybe you reach a certain amount of sales, you get a certificate and also a little token. So that is what I love about NSP, and it's very easy to operate. That dashboard is very easy to operate and deploy anytime. And also on NSP, you can withdraw 3 times in a day. 3 times in a day. You're allowed to withdraw 3 times in a day on NSP. So that is for that. The last one is Vitro. Vitro is a modern affiliate platform with structured training and any opportunity. Key point: beginner affiliate blueprint access, step-by-step training, data products to promote and community support. Who is it for? Best for people who want guidance and a clear road. So in fact, Vitro is an affiliate platform, easy to use, and you can check my video on my YouTube channel. You see a video I talk about the Vitro, and also I'm going to do another video tutorial on how you can navigate on this platform. It's very friendly to use, and what I love Vitro is that it's like NSP. You withdraw instantly. Maybe you get a sales just now, you can withdraw your money anytime, any day, without waiting for a certain day before you can withdraw your money. So Vitro is like NSP. You withdraw anytime, any day, any hour. So that's for Vitro. So after marketing is not magic. You need to learn skills like content creation, marketing, and consistent to make money. If you want to start, I've dropped the link to join any of this platform in the description below, and also you can join my WhatsApp mentorship group. You can also message me on WhatsApp for Ghana. So if you are interested, please, I want interested person. If you are interested to earn money with your smartphone, send a message. Send a message to me, or you can click the link to sign up on any platform. And also you can join my mentorship group where I will be giving you guidance on how you can make money through affiliate marketing business. Please, serious minded person, if you are serious and you are tired of brokenness, send a message to me. And also you can join my WhatsApp group. Please, like I said, serious minded person, if you are very serious and you are ready to learn, ready to implement, I don't want lazy someone. I don't want lazy someone. Because I've seen some people say, okay, yeah, they sign on a platform, they will not go through the course. After like 1 month, they come back and say, I know, I don't know. See, let me explain something. Before you can be successful in a business, you need to learn everything about it. That is when you will be successful. And when you learn it, implement what you got, implement what you learn in that business. That is when you are going to get results. And affiliate marketing business is not for lazy person. It's sales and marketing. You are selling products. You are selling products, but these products are not yours. So I don't know the reason why you guys find it difficult to implement what you got in that course. Do you understand? To get a lot of money with your smartphone. And also, affiliate marketing business does not take your time. You just need 1 to 3 hours of the time. And then boom, you start to earn. And also, before I even stop this video, I'm going to talk about the courses you can get on this purpose. You are going to get a course called Cash Flow Mystery Course. Cash Flow Mystery Course, that is what you are going to get. And NSP, okay, GRODITAL, you are going to get the new oil program course, the new oil program course. And why for purpose, okay, why for NSP, you are going to get affiliate marketing for beginners. And these two, you can also get access to affiliate marketing for beginners, and it's going to explain in details how you can make money with your smartphone. Or you can get beginner affiliate marketing guide. Beginner affiliate marketing guide. You can get it on virtual to get access to this platform. So if you want to get started right now, there's a link in the description below. Click on the link to sign up and also join my mentorship group. I hope you have learned 1 or 2 things from this video. Make sure you like, make sure you share, make sure you comment. If you have any question, comment below. I'm going to reply to you. And also make use of that link to register on any of these platforms I mentioned. Like I said, these 4 platforms are the best platform you can make use to generate a lot of money. But as a beginner, I will advise you to decide on choosing one platform. Then you can go to other platforms. You can try other platform. Do you understand? So if you want to sign up any platform, just sign up on one platform. After getting sales, you can now divert to other platform to promote any product. And what I love affiliate market business, that as an affiliate marketer, you have the right to promote different kind of products, different kind of, but as a beginner, for you not to be confused, I will advise you to focus on one course, one platform. So after when you have started generating a lot of money, you can start to divert to other platform. So this is the four top best affiliate market platform you can sign up in the year 2020 and get a great result. And also I love that mentorship group. They have a lifetime mentorship group where you will be able to ask questions on top athlete, and also every week they do have training to tell, okay, how you can get sales, how you can promote your product, how you can do this and that. So don't miss out in the year 2020. Now, to earn money is very easy. So as a teenager, a youth, adult, you don't have to complain that you are broke. You don't have to complain because some of these courses can generate 10 sales. Okay, there's a course I'm promoting on GRODITAL. Per one says you generate 13,250. There's another course on the GRODITAL or other platform that when you promote it, the product is 50,000. When you promote it, you get one says you are going to get 25,000. So assuming okay, you promote this course, 25,000 times 10, that's 250,000. So in the year 2026, you don't have to complain because there are so many opportunities for you to generate a lot of money with your smartphone. You don't even need to create any product. You don't need to import the product. You don't even need to deliver the product. You don't even need to take stock of the product. You only just promote the product, and when someone buys this product from you, you earn a lot of commission. So I hope you have learned one or two things from this course. Please kindly share and kindly like and kindly comment and subscribe to my channel because I'll be showing you different ways you can earn money with your smartphone.